apart from customary shadow, you get lots of these in the middle of Spain, in the middle of nowhere. Notice the wave tile, wave, fucking grandmother, I can't believe that. Wait, whoa, what am I going to the car for? And great, I love that. That's a Spanish car. International banking with a video captured while I whittle. Hawkers, things, it's common little Englishman. Look, the sign. Full of ales.
Yes, my wife. I just went on tour. She asked me why. I just went on tour. She asked me why. I just went on tour. She asked me why. I just went on tour.
That Indian blow the whistle on the fireman, he rang the bell. That Indian blow the whistle on the fireman, he rang the bell. That Indian blow the whistle on the fireman, he rang the bell. That Indian blow the whistle on the fireman, he rang the bell.
She asked me why. I just went on tour. She asked me why. I just went on tour.
Whittling sticker. There, Whittling. There. Up there. Look at that. There, across there. You get another dog there. You've got a meter up there. Keep your under crashing meters.
It's bad, you know.
I fucking told her I'm not giving her an enema. I don't give it an enemas out. I'm not a fucking nurse or anything. I don't do an enemas. And she offered me 50 quid.
I just went on tour.
A fucking grandmother. I can't believe that. Wait, whoa. What am I going to the car for? And and I said no. And then I had to call on my cousin then to sort of come and give her an enema. It was fucking sick. It was, what was it? A burger? A fucking burger.